Hello students, welcome to Mathswell YouTube channel, a virtual platform for the mathematics. What is the question? Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. So here AP given is 7, 13, 19 and dash dash dash. The last term given is 205. Clear? So first note down the LCM. What is the question given? The question is find the number of terms in each of this AP. Means terms are given, but how many number of terms are there we don't know. So that number we are going to find here. So again, as we know the general term formula, that is AN. So we are going to use that formula here. Okay. So first find A and D first from the given AP. We can find A and D if you know the terms of AP. So here these terms are known. So using these terms we can say that A equal to 7. Obviously the first term will be A, that is first term, and the common difference is given by it will be obtained by taking the difference of any two successive terms. So here we take second minus first. 13 minus 7 will be equal to 6, right? So A is 7, D is 6. Now we need to find N. So here the last term is given as 205 and we don't know which number of term it is. So I generally consider this as AN of the given AP, nth term of AP. So since AN is equal to 205, so now using the formula for AN, what is AN? We know AN is nothing but A plus N minus 1D. So instead of AN I substitute that formula, that A plus N minus 1D, and equated it with 205. So we know A as 7, D is 6, substitute and simplify. So that simplification finally at the last step will give us N equal to 34. And what that 34 gives us? That 34 gives us the number of terms in the given AP. So hence I can say that there are 34 terms in the given AP. Is it clear? So it's one of the simple example and easy one, right? That may ask in the exam also. This type of examples, if you go through the question paper of the board exams, so you come to know that this type of example are regularly asked in the exams. Okay, now let's move ahead for the next type of question on this part of this topic is check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. What is the term of AP? We have the term of AP, right? Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. AP given by 11, 8, 5 and 2 and dash dash dash. So infinite number of terms are there for this AP. So here we need to find whether minus 150 is a term of this AP. So for that, how we can check that the given number is whether it is term of AP or not? So for that we consider that number as AN and find the value of N. And finally, if you are having the value of N as an integer or positive integer, then only we can say that this is the term of the given AP. Otherwise, if you are having the value of N in fractional form, so number of terms will never be in fractional form. So that we can say that it will not be a term of the given AP. Okay. So let's see here. The given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2, dot dot dot. That is and so on. So from this we can have first term A as 11 and the common difference D will be equal to the difference of first two terms, that is 8 minus 11 equal to minus 3. Okay. So consider the given number minus 150 as AN, the term of AP, and let's find the value of N from it. So again using the same formula for AN is A plus N minus 1D is equal to minus 150. So again simplify and get the value of N. So after simplification we have the value of N is equal to 164 divided by 3. So if we try to simplify, you are getting a number in decimal form. So it is not an integer, it is not a positive integer, right? So n will always be a positive integer, right? So since it is not an integer, so we can say that minus 150 is not a term of given AP, right? So whenever such type of example is asked, some number is given and you are asked to check whether the given number is term of the given AP or not. So in that case, consider that number as an, use the formula for an, substitute the known terms, that is the values of a and d, and find the value of n. If you are having the value of n as a positive integer, then you can say it is the term of AP, otherwise it is not a term of AP. Okay, so this is the way to solve such type of example. Let's move ahead for the next example. The next type of example will ask like this: find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term of AP is given by is 73. We need to find the 31st term. So 11th term is known, A11 is given 38, 16th term is 73, means A16 is 73. We need to find A31. 31st term we need to find, means we need to find A31. So now since A11 is 38, use the formula for an. A11 will be A plus 10D because n is 11. So 11 minus 1 will become 10D. So 11th term will be A plus 10D, which is equal to 38 given. Similarly, A16 equal to 73 it is given. So again, from since A16 n is 16, we can have 16th term as A plus 15D, and it is given as 73. So these are the two equations we are having in terms of A and D. The first time the common difference of the AP. Okay. So since these are the two equations in two variables, we can say, so these are the linear equations in two variables. So we have studied how to solve such type of equations. So here just by elimination method, we can eliminate A easily from these two equations, right? So taking the difference, subtracting the first equation from the 2, that is 2 minus 1 will give us, if we subtract the left side from left side and right side from right side, we can have A plus 15D minus A minus 10D. So A gets cancelled, 15 minus 10 will become 5D, and to the right side 73 minus 78 will give us 35. So 5D equal to 35, it means D equal to 35 by 5, that is 7. So the value of D comes as 7. So common difference is 7. So using this value of D, substituting in either of equation 1 or 2, you can have the value of A, right? So what this gives us, if you substitute it in equation number 1, we have A plus 10D equal to 30, it is equation number 1. Substituting the value of D, it gives us A plus 10 times 7 is equal to 38. Simplifying it will give us the value of A equal to minus 32, right? So what we have from this, can you find 31st term now? Because we know the value of D, we know the value of A, we can find 31st term. So again, since A31 is given by A plus 30D by using the formula, and then substituting the values of A and D will give us minus 32 plus 30 times 7, that is minus 32 plus 210. So difference of these two gives us 178. So difference of this is equal to 178, hence I can say that the 31st term of AP is equal to 178. This is one of the important example that may ask in the board exam. Okay, just go through this. Now we have one more example, one more important example, and after that we have this example, and then we will finish. So here we have the question number, the next question we have is this. Yes, 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So find the common difference. So just read the sum carefully and try to express it in terms of equation. So 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7, means 17th term is more greater than the 10th term by 7. 7 say greater than. So we need to find the common difference of AP, right? So since given A7, from the given we can write the equation as A17, that is 17th term is 7 more than 10th term, right? So it is A10 plus 7. This is the equation we are having from the given example. Okay, so from this A17 and A10 can be obtained as A plus 16D. A17 is A plus 16D and A10 is A plus 9D. So now using these two in this equation, first equation, we can have A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. So from this A will get cancelled from both sides, and collecting the terms of D together, we can have 16D minus 9D, which is equal to 7D is equal to, the right side is also equal to 7. So 7D equal to 7 will give us the value of D equal to 1. So it is so simple example, right? So in such type of example will also ask in the exam, right? So let's go for the next example. Is it simple example? Even if it is looking some complicated, if you are able to write the given in equation form, the remaining part will be easy, right? 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So simple. So just write the equation in terms of A17 and A10. So A17 is greater than A10 by 7. So we need to write in this equation, and then using the formula for AN, we can have the value of D. Okay. So now go for the next example. The next example is this. Find the 20th term from the last term of AP. This is also one of the important example that regularly asked in the exam. So how to find the 20th term from the last? So read this sum carefully. From the last, it is not just the 20th term of AP, but it is from the last, 20th term from the last. So it is also, the solution of this example is also very easy. Just we need to try to understand this. So as you are asked to find 20th term from the last, so whenever the from the last word is used, first try to write the given AP in reverse order. Okay, so after writing it in reverse order, what we have, the first term will become last and last term will become first. So here I can say that after writing the given AP in reverse order, we can have the first term as this 253. We can say A equal to 253, and then the common difference will be obtained. We can take the difference in reverse order again. So instead of taking 13 minus 8, we can take difference 8 minus 13 or 3 minus 8, right? So that difference will give us here minus 5. So for the AP in reverse order, we can have A equal to 253 and B equal to minus 5. So while writing in reverse order, so in reverse order, as you are asked to find 20th term from the last, means the last term will be the first term after writing in reverse order, and only we need to find the 20th term of that AP written in reverse order. Okay, this is same as the 20th term of given AP from the last. Okay, so it's so simple. So use the formula for A20. It is given by A plus 19D. So we know the value of A, we know the value of D. Substitute will give us 253 minus 95, which is equal to 158. So isn't easy? Yes, it is so easy. So hence we can say that the 20th term of the given AP from last is equal to 152, right? So I think these are the some important examples from the given AP, right? So students, this is one part of this topic. So after that we have one more part of this topic, that is known as the sum of the terms, sum of the first n terms of AP. So that we will discuss in the next video. Even then, if you have any doubt, contact details are given in the description box. Till then, take care everyone. Bye everyone, take care. See you in the next video. Thank you.